Go out of your way to find humility when things are going right and forgiveness or compassion when they go wrong, because it's never as good or as bad as it looks. What do you think?
So the humility part, what do you think he meant
I think
by
he
what he
means
said in terms of finances?
here he's probably talking about investment specifically. So if you bought a share, because I mean we all have heard stories about people. I don't want to mention specific cryptocurrencies and stuff, but we've all heard people that brag, "Yo, I got this right. I made so much money," and blah blah blah. And then the very next day they lose it all overnight, and then they're like dead quiet, and you don't hear a word. Then they're not saying anything, and they're not admitting they made a mistake, or perhaps they did. So I think it's about investing
Yeah.
where if you got it right, be humble and say, "Oh, thank you," because it's luck, because it's a lot to do. Yes, there's risk, skill involved, sorry, but it's a lot of luck. So, yay, I was lucky. I'm so grateful that I got this right rather than bragging about your investment skills. And then, same way when you
Hmm.
got it wrong, to say, not to torture yourself about it and say, "It was luck wasn't on my side. We're just going to try again," type of